First, the top news headlines. Workshop on safe and secure transport facilities for children held. And Supreme Court orders government to restore internet in Kashmir for all essential services. Review restrictions within 7 days. Good afternoon and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. One-day state-level workshop on implementation of Honorable Supreme Court's guidelines for safe and secure transport facilities for children was held today at lamjingbatomtv, Imphal. The workshop was organized by National Commission for Protection of Child Rights NCRCR in collaboration with Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights CR. It was attended by member of MCPCR Elizabeth Fazang, Senior Technical Expert Notice Cell and Education Division National Commission for Protection of Child Rights NCPCR Paresh Shah, Inspector General of Police Zone 1, Clay Khongsai, Chairperson Manipur State Commission for Protection of Child Rights Suniti Balaning Thauzam, Commissioner Department of School Education Government of Manipur T Ranjit Singh and HOD of Indira Gandhi Tribal University Government of Manipur Dr. Sukhdeva Sharma. Ruling that the right to access the internet is a fundamental right and internet can be shut down only in exceptional circumstances. The Supreme Court today ordered that internet access be restored in Kashmir for all essential services. The bench also ordered the Jammu and Kashmir administration to review all restrictive orders within a week and put in public domain all orders that can then be challenged in a court of law. The Supreme Court was hearing a batch of pleas, including that of Congress leader Ghulam Nabi Azad, challenging the restrictions imposed in the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir following abrogation of provisions of Article 370. According to a report, the provisions of Article 370, which gave special status to the erstwhile state, were abrogated in August last year. The state was then divided into two union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. This second Maroi Nakupi Kumai has kick-started today at Star Club ground of Moirangkampu Sajeb in Imphal East. The event is under the aegis of Progressive Farmers Foundation, Moirangkampu Sajeb. Horticulture Minister T.A. Syam Kumar, Khurai MLA Susindro and other dignitaries attended the opening function. One person died and 3 others were injured following a road mishap that took place at Moirang along the Tidim Road last night at around 9:30. The deceased has been identified as 25-year-old Thokchom Ibungo of Upokpi Awanglekai. According to a report, the accident occurred when a Tata truck coming from Bisnupur side collided with a Bolero in which the deceased and the injured persons were travelling. The injured are undergoing treatment in a hospital. A case has been registered at Moirang Police Station over the incident. A one-day Mao market is being put up at New Chekon Bazaar, Imphal today under the aegis of Mao Imphal Market Coordination Committee. Speaking to TOMTV, a woman vendor N. Kaini of Sajawa village expressed happiness over organizing such a temporary market in Imphal.
Sumaina mapam pibasi yamna harawe yamna nungaijare adubo asidagi henna yaragadi sidagi henna phajaba nungaiba aduga kaino promote tawbiba haibisi aikoina ni pame.
Saikhom Sukumani, a customer at the venue, said that organic vegetables brought from hill areas are good for health.
Yam confidence laiba haitare engonda aduga sabadasu yamna thot lawba hawba adugi damak laibani mamangidi yamna kanna khenaba oide iman manai haba ko adugi damak te iman se aidi mako akhoi sida yam toina tawe ning konje makoi na jujon banungai habagi ko khoi jati suna tabani na aduna makoi gi laani haide iman de yam harawe.
The 15th Finance Commission FC comprising members Dr. Ashok Lahiri and A.N. Jha visited Konoma in Kohima yesterday. As per media reports, the Finance Commission members interacted with the village authorities and discussed on varied matters like traditional practices, conservation efforts, health, education, banking system, etc. According to an official press release, the village has a population of around 3,745 with 749 households, which consist of 3 kells. Konoma has 6 schools and 1 primary health center. VDV Secretary Haisirito Punyu said that the village does not have any bank and that there were only informal banking services through microfinance. The Finance Commission members also visited Zuleki and Jakhama Army Camp. Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will visit Varanasi, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's constituency, today to meet those arrested during the protests against the Citizenship Amendment Act in the city. According to media sources, she will meet Varanasi Hindu University VHU students, civil society members and those who were part of protests against the CAA and the proposed National Register of Citizens. Senior Iranian commander Amir Ali Hazadeh has said strikes against US forces in Iraq could have been just the beginning of a major operation across the region if the US has responded. He said Iran fired 13 missiles and were ready to fire hundreds more in case of any US response. Iran also claimed that the missiles killed 80 US soldiers. If we were looking to kill, we could have designed the operation in a way such that 500 Americans would be killed in the first step. Hazizadeh said. Meanwhile, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei yesterday called the missile strikes a slap in the face against the US, before adding that the question of revenge is another issue. Yesterday, Trump defended his targeting of Soleimani and said the generals should have been terminated a long time ago. Let's now have the sports news. In sports, the first invitational football tournament was kicked off today at Khwairamband Men's Stadium, Imphal. The week-long tournament is organized by National Sports University, Manipur. 8 teams, namely NSUA, Manipur University MU, National Institute of Technology, Manipur NIT, Liberal College, Dhanamanjuri University DMU, NSUB, Sai and Kha Manipur College KMC are participating in the football tournament. NSUA clashed with MU in the opening match today. SFA singer band Kasar Assam defeated RYC Ramgaizang by 3-2 in a match of the ongoing first Moirangthem Jodish Chandra Memorial Invitation Football Tournament 2019-2020 at Jiribam Higher Secondary School Playground yesterday. UBFC Markulen will clash with PFC Faitol today in the tournament, which began from 3rd of January. Let's now have the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Government of India has officially recognized India integration, says NSCNIM. Shift AR post from MU, says Musu to CM. Over a century-old Thong Nambonbi breaks apart in half. Narcotic and affairs of border bust another brown sugar lab. Identity politics affect growth, says Chief Minister. The People's Chronicle. Chief Minister Biren preaches unity at tribute event. Territorial boundary and integrity of the state would remain intact and people no longer need to worry over the Naga peace talks. Integration of Naga ancestral domains must, says NSCNIM. Manipur University Students' Union memo to Chief Minister seeks MU off campuses. Corruption rampant in MU, says Desam. Post ILP 400 enter state Delhi. Drug factory busted, WI tablets seized. Imphal Free Press. Sense of patriotism should come from within, says Chief Minister. More FTS courts in pipeline for speedy trial of rape, POSCO cases. DM varsity infrastructure deficit urges MSU warns agitation. SSA Ramsar teachers to cease work from January 13. Khwairamband's cherished landmark Thong Nambonbi caves in. Manipur Mail, boundary will remain intact, says Chief Minister. Tributes offered to King Gambhir on death anniversary. Drug factory busted, 461 kg brown sugar seized. Student in agitation mode over lack of basic requirements of institution.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Workshop on safe and secure transport facilities for children held. And Supreme Court orders government to restore internet in Kashmir for all essential services, review restrictions within 7 days. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.